In this video, we take a deep and forward-looking dive into the next generation of action cameras that are expected to arrive in the near future, focusing specifically on the competitive landscape of premium action cams as brands continue to push innovation in sensor size, image quality, stabilization, and creator-focused features. And while a brand new action camera model has just been officially announced recently, namely the DJI Osmo Action 6, history shows that whenever a new Osmo Action series camera launches, another major manufacturer is usually not far behind with its own competing release. And that brings us directly to the growing anticipation surrounding the next model from Insta360, widely expected to be called the Insta360 Ace Pro 3, which would succeed the current Ace Pro 2, a camera that has already established a strong reputation among vloggers, adventure filmmakers, travel creators, and YouTubers who prioritize cinematic image quality in compact action cameras. Although the Ace Pro 2 may still feel relatively new to some users, especially considering certain color variants like the white edition were released later, the black model actually debuted back in October 2024, meaning that more than a year has quietly passed since its initial launch. And given Insta360's traditional release cycle of unveiling new flagship action cameras in the fall season, it would be reasonable to assume that an Ace Pro 3 announcement should already be on the horizon. Yet as of now, there has been a noticeable lack of official teasers, credible leaks, or supply chain hints pointing to an imminent release, suggesting that this generation may experience a longer development cycle than previous ones. According to information circulating on overseas tech sites and product databases, the next Insta360 Ace Pro 3 may not arrive until late 2025 or possibly even early 2026, which represents a significant delay compared to the usual yearly cadence. And this extended timeline also explains why concrete specifications remain largely unknown, with no confirmed details regarding sensor resolution, chipset upgrades, lens redesigns, or recording capabilities, making this one of the quietest pre-launch periods Insta360 has had in recent years. However, one area that continues to generate strong speculation is the image sensor, because the current Ace Pro 2 uses a 1/1.3-inch sensor, which was considered excellent at the time, but with the DJI Osmo Action 6 now moving closer to a 1-inch class sensor size, rumored to be around 1/1.1 inches, the pressure is clearly on Insta360 to respond with a larger sensor if it wants to maintain its reputation for superior image quality, low light performance, dynamic range, and color science, especially for creators who shoot cinematic POV footage, night scenes, or high-contrast environments. If Insta360 were to stick with the same sensor size, it could risk falling behind in spec comparisons. So many expect that a sensor upgrade is not just likely but almost unavoidable for the Ace Pro 3, even though nothing has been officially confirmed. When it comes to physical design, there is also very little verified information available, but industry chatter suggests that Insta360 may refine the lens housing and front-facing design rather than introducing a radical overhaul, keeping the familiar flip-up front display that allows for easy framing while vlogging, a feature that has become a defining advantage of the Ace Pro lineup. And it is widely believed that this dual-screen or flip-screen approach will remain intact because it aligns perfectly with the needs of solo creators, travel vloggers, and outdoor content producers. Due to the apparent delay in release timing, many viewers are understandably debating whether to wait for the Ace Pro 3 or move forward with purchasing the newly released DJI Osmo Action 6. And realistically speaking, since the Ace Pro 3 does not appear to be launching anytime soon, those who need an action camera right now for sports, travel, daily vlogging, or professional content production can confidently choose the Osmo Action 6 without worrying about immediate buyer's remorse, especially considering DJI's improvements in usability, mounting systems, accessory compatibility, and user interface. Historically, when comparing action cameras released in the same generation, Insta360 models have often delivered slightly superior pure image quality compared to their DJI counterparts, something that has been consistently observed in side-by-side comparisons, real-world usage, and YouTube test footage, particularly in terms of detail retention, color depth, and overall cinematic look, although DJI has frequently excelled in ergonomics, ease of use, and magnetic mounting convenience. One minor criticism of the Ace Pro series has been the stiffness of its magnetic mount system, which, while secure, can feel less smooth when attaching or detaching accessories compared to DJI's solution. And some users also find DJI's ecosystem of mounts and add-ons easier to work with overall. But despite these small usability trade-offs, the Ace Pro cameras have traditionally stood out when image quality is the top priority. Looking ahead, it is reasonable to assume that the Ace Pro 3 will once again aim to outperform competitors in visual fidelity, assuming it receives a sensor upgrade and processing improvements. But patience will be required, as current expectations point toward a late-year announcement at the earliest, possibly extending into the first part of 2026. Until then, creators who need reliable, high-performance action cameras today should focus on currently available models rather than waiting indefinitely, while those who prioritize maximum image quality above all else may find it worthwhile to keep an eye on future updates regarding Insta360's next flagship. And as new leaks, rumors, or official announcements emerge, further in-depth coverage and analysis will follow to keep viewers informed about the evolving action camera market, upcoming technology trends, and the best choices for creators, vloggers, and filmmakers moving forward.